Hello and welcome to another video on Field Complete. In this video, we will cover how to add disclaimer text to your invoices and estimates, invoice text or promotional offers. So for that, you need to navigate to settings, billing, and document settings. And here you will have invoice settings and estimate settings. For invoice settings, you also have invoice prefix and invoice suffix. This is mostly for your accounting software, like if you want to sync it so you can add how you want your invoice to start and end with certain numbers. If you don't have an accounting software or that's not a requirement for your accounting software, just ignore those fields. Below, you also have promotional text and disclosure info for the invoice settings and for the estimate settings. This will be the text that will show up on every estimate and invoice that you send out from the company. So I have some disclosure info here that I want to add, and also let's say I want to add some promotional text, but only to my invoices for like repeat business, not estimate. So if I click save, and now if I go into a project that's open, I have my scope here. Let's say I need to send out an estimate. So I click send estimate. I type in my email. And then click submit, and an estimate is sent out. Now let's do the same thing for the invoice. I actually have already an invoice that's been created here. So let me just resend this same invoice for just to save some time. So, oops, let me just paste. Send. Once I click send, I'll go into my inbox here, and as I can see, I have an estimate and an invoice that have been sent out to me. So if I click on the estimate, I can see the disclaimer has been added. If I click on the invoice, if I pull up the PDF, and here I can also see that it shows up on the PDF. And then the invoice also has this promotional text. So that's in short how to create promotional text and add it to your estimate and invoice. If you have any questions or any troubles with that, feel free to reach out to our support. We'll happily do it for you via chat, email, or phone.